discussing the price of crude oil, silver and gold, also talking about my trade update on silver. Everything I will be discussing in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Starting off with crude oil, I am on the crude oil's daily time frame chart, and if you are watching my previous videos on commodity, you already know that the price of crude oil is already oversold a lot, and we are seeing back-to-back red candles incessantly towards the downside. So as of now, the price of crude oil is struggling to pump towards the upside. You can clearly see the price of crude oil is stuck between two of my levels, from $62 approx to $63, and these are the exact levels and I have not changed them at all. As of now, the crude oil's price is in between of two levels. This is acting as a resistance and this as a support. Well, obviously I'll not take any trade until and unless the price of crude oil rises above the $65 mark. Yet right now the price of crude oil is uncertain and anything can happen in the world, and that can reflect a very sharp movement in crude oil as well. So right now I'm just waiting and watching, and I always say that only whenever the price of crude is below $65, and I'm just doing my analysis and seeing if something interesting pops up on the chart. But as of now, there is nothing much in crude oil. Volume is also kind of very low. It is just waiting for a breakout either towards the downside or upside, price of crude oil, because as I said, it is already oversold and bears are exhausted now. So I expect the price of crude to rise from here. Talking about gold quickly, and again nothing much in gold. The price of gold is just sideways only. Nothing has been changed since my last 2 to 3 videos on commodity, and yeah, that's pretty much it in gold. Volume is also very less, and the price movement is also very less. So obviously I've already told you when I will go long and when I will go short in my previous videos. Talking about silver at the end, this is my silver trade. I hope you all remember I entered at $39.2 level, and well, the price did manage to come all the way down till my first take profit level, approximately at 36.9, 36.8. But yet the price recently got a reversed towards the upside, so I trailed my stop loss from the actual stop loss price from $40 all the way down till $39.2. Recently the price has started to see a dump again, and it is going in my favor again. Let's see what happens. And as I said, my stop loss is exactly at break even point, so even if this trade goes against me, I'll end up in profits only. So right now I'm just waiting on silver, what it has to offer in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes guys, this is it for gold, silver and crude oil. As of now, nothing much in the whole commodity market. Crude oil is also struggling to break out either towards the upside or down, and maybe soon it will break out towards the upside. I've already discussed the reason with you guys. Gold on the other hand, it is just sideways market only. Volume is also pretty much dead, so nothing much in gold. And talking about my silver trade, it has started to again move in my direction only, in my favor only. But let's see what happens. For me, this silver trade is now already risk free and already profitable for me, so I have nothing to worry about. And that's pretty much it for today's video. So do comment below what do you guys think of crude oil, silver or gold, what your analysis say, and I'll see you guys next time.